Hello guys, welcome to Key Tutorials. Today's video, I've got new updates for you guys. I want to show you how you can make a magic photo, which could be animation, it could be video, however you want it. But guys, this is amazing and somehow, wow. Let's go. You need to download this app. This app is called Capcut. You need to download it on your phone. After you had it installed on your phone, you just go straight and open it. So what you do is just click on new project, then select photo. Normally you will find it on video default, but you have to navigate to photos. Then let's say this is a picture you wish to vanish. You want to make it disappear out of the objects that are stamped in it, like every writings in it we have to stay without you in the background. So what we do now is just add it. So when we add it, just click on the photo, then you click style. In this style you can see there are different magic you can perform with these photos. So let's say I want to make this photo vanish, so I will just select this. You can see if I click play, my photo will vanish from the background. So if I want to make it reappear, so I will just select the other one. Then you see, let me play it. You can see this magic, bro. You're gonna like this. So let me try these other options, like I don't know what it's going to be. Okay, let's see what it's going to be. Let's see if this magic work better. Please share this video, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. At least let your friends know about this channel. Please help me grow it. Oh, this is a kind of different magic. Oh, okay. This could be good for any kind of intro you want to make to your channel. It could be good, in the starting or the ending of your video. You could use it. What's this gonna be? Let me check if the background can wipe out. Oh, wow, guys, this is cool. All right, welcome to Key Tutorials, guys. This is what I've got for you today. Hope you subscribe and share. Leave a comment, please. Have a nice day. Bye.